Hi, this is a tutorial of stock control system developed in Visual C++. Let's start by entering the following data. Supposing the customer intends to order approximately 230 bags of rice, and all we just need to do is to allocate a discount to this customer, enter the details of the customer in there, and here let's enter a name, Baker, code, and let's say she lives in number 14. Okay, I can't illustrate. Let's say show the Lagos there. Okay, those are details, and we just enter method of payment, no VAT. So all we just need to do now is to click on total, and that's it. So what I will do now is take you guys straight into Visual C++, and we put one of these together. So let's do that now. Hi, this is Visual C++ stock control system. So I've just selected new project there. I'm now going to select Visual C++ right there, and let's look for the Windows forms. And just right in here, let's enter cpp underscore stock, and let's click on OK. Okay, the next thing is to define the size of this form. Let's go for 1368 by, let's make that 700 there. Now let's go to the tools here and select, so maybe we should select a panel. Yeah, so with the panel selected, now let's drag the panel down much, and let's take it down a little bit more. Yeah, I forgot with that. Bring it right down, and we add another panel right underneath here. Drag it that much. Then we're gonna need two more panels there. Let's grab one here and maybe just copy this one and reduce the size of this. Let it be in the other panel, and right here let's enlarge that a little bit. Now select all of the panels. Let's go to tools, and where it says style, click on the style, border style, and let's change that to fix single there. There we go. That's how all the panels look right now. You can see the colors on it. Okay, now the next thing we want to do is let's get some labels on board right here. Let's get the following labels. Come in here. We need 9 of those. There. And now let's modify those labels. Okay, this is how the labels look right now. So let's add some more labels in here. We need about 5 of those. I'm going to copy that, control, hold and copy. And I also need 2 labels here, and another 2 here, there. Okay, let's move this down a little bit. Bring this up. Take this down. Take this up. Yeah. Alright. So let's give them individual names. Okay guys, those are all the labels in their respective positions. So what is left for us to do now is up here I'm going to add a combo box grab one combo box there. There's one here. We need another one here. Copy this and just bring it right down here. We're going to need 3 combo box in here. 1, 2, and 3. And we need one here and one here. Okay, we also need labels in here. We need 3 labels there, and 2 more. We're gonna need 2 more here, or 3 as well. We need 3 here, and 1 combo box here. Alright, so let's speed up the whole process of these combo box and labels. Okay, this is how the design looks for now, but I think I'm going to change this one to dates. This one should be dates instead of combo box. Let's come in here and look for the dates. There we go. One here, one here, and copy another one here. Now the next thing we need to do is we're going to need 1 text box. In fact, we need 3 text box. 1, no, not there. 1, 2, and 3 text box. In fact, we're going to need 2 combo box here. Let me copy these 2. 1, 2. Just bring them along here. There. Now here, 1 text box here. Alright, and we need labels, so let's copy 1 label and change the content around. Come in here and just change that to, let's change it auto size, change that to force. Back color, let's change that to white, and let's make it 3D, fix 3D, and get rid of the content in there. There, that's gone. Now just drag it along there and copy it. Yeah, so I'll speed that up too. Now that you guys get the idea, we're gonna need some here as well, and 1 combo box here. There. So let's speed up the design. And delete this, and we will need about 3 buttons. 1, 2, and 3. There. Okay, this is how the system is looking now. So there's one more thing left. Let's copy this, paste it right up there, and just change that to stock control system. And we need to increase the font. Let's see, 36. Yeah, take it out, all right up there. Okay, that is fine. So we save, build, and run. Okay, click on run. There, that's how the whole interface looks right now, but nothing is happening. Alright, let's write a couple of lines of codes on the form load. Double click on the form itself, and right in here I'm gonna use let's use the loop for, so we go for integer q, let's say equals 1 column q less than and equals to 5, and column q plus plus. So that is my for loop there, and enter curly braces. Now I want the following loops to appear right in here. So I need the name of that. That will be okay. CMB product ID, and I also need these ones here and this very one. So let's go back into the code right there, paste that in there, then enter our items and arrow again, add there. Okay, now let me say PID 0900, come out here, plus Q, and enter a semicolon. So that is my first loop. If I build, let's rebuild and run, and let's run it now. And when I click on that, it gives me 1 to 5 because that was what the loop was all about. So I will now copy this so that it can also generate the required reference value for me here. So let's come in here now. We're just going to copy that, and let's change this to order ID. I believe that's the name, and this one is customer ID. Customer ID, and this one will be CID, and why this one is OID. Okay, we can also change these values. Let's change this one to maybe 20, and we'll change this to whatever we like. Yeah. So when we run it now, save, build, and run. And right there, that is product ID. We get customer information and that information as well, other information. I think we can do the same thing for this discount right here, and here we need yes or no, so we can take care of all of this very quick. So let's come in here, discount ID, let's come down, say discount CMB discount, here, that's it, then add items, yeah. In the case of discount ID, let's go for Q plus Q plus plus. Let's see what will happen if we do it that way. Now run. Let's see the discount ID, drop that down. So the discount is 2, 6 and 10. Okay, that's not bad, so we can always leave that. So the discount we have in there is 2, 6 and 10. That's fine for the discount ID. Okay, now the next one, let's see here, we need the names of these ones and the names of these. Alright, okay, back to the form load. The first one is, it's going to be right underneath here, so paste that and enter items dot add. So in this case, I want this one to be on sales, this one will be on sale, and followed by no sales. Copy that, and this one will be not on sales. Okay, then the other one is CMBVAT. Okay, CMBVAT, copy all of those, paste that in there, and VAT is going to be no VAT. next one will be VAT, charge VAT. Let's say charge VAT. So that is fine. Let's run and see. Okay, the VAT is there. On sales, no, that is fine. No, I think I don't like this. It's supposed to be 5, so I'll come back in here and change this around. Close that. You see this very one, I'm going to take it off. It's a Q plus. Take it all off and just repeat it. Okay, the first value will be 0. Go for 5, 10, 15 and 20. That's the discount. Okay, yeah, that's much better. So let's try and run it again. There we go, guys. Discount, you can see that's 0, 5, 10, 15. Maybe you guys cannot see the 20, but there's 20 there. Click on it. 10, 15, and these ones are back the way they used to be. That's fine. So I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, we need payment method and account type. Alright, exits, reset total are not doing anything yet. Okay, let's come in here. Payment method, I think it's CMB. Payment method. Copy all of this. Paste that in there. I think I'm going to need about 4 of those as well. There. So the different method of payment, let's say cash. We have cash there. Then we have, let's go for MasterCard. Let's go for Visa card here. Look for debit card. There. Okay, the next one is account type. Let's find out the name of this anyway. Account type. Copy that back in here. So all of these codes are inside form load, which means when you run the program, the form will load up all of this information for you. Those will be loaded onto the object. So the next one is this. So let me copy this again to speed up the whole process. And I need about 3 different account type or 4. 3. Okay, that will be debit account. Then we have customer account, and here we have, let's say, commercial account. There. So those 3 different types of account is fine. Run it and see. Okay guys, this is how the whole system is looking now. It's taking shape the way we want. Alright, that's good. That is brilliant. So the next thing is to now work on the exit, reset, and so on. So with that, I'll call it the end of the very first part of this Visual C++ tutorial of stock control system. See you guys later.